Last but not least, give it up for Billy! Ladies, take a good look. Ladies, Ray J is a perfect example of what happens when you give a lame some pussy. I don't understand how you made a whole family rich, but you still broke. Honestly, Ray J, your last hit was Kim Kardashian.
That was funny. Listen, that was funny.
I mean, your music career disappeared faster than a crack rock in Bobby Brown's house. I'm gonna tell you this, if I had one wish, you stop singing that goddamn song. It's all for you, man.
To a representative. I said representative. I said representative.